If you start freaking out right now, internet videos say you can fix it super fast with just three numbers: 3, 3, and the 3. By now, everyone on YouTube is talking about the 3-3-3 rule. Doctors use it, apps use it, and millions of kids swear by it. The rule is super easy. Look for three things you can see. Listen for three things you can hear. Move three parts of your body. But while people say this 60-second trick fixes worry forever, I looked at actual brain science to find out, does it really change your brain, or is it just a pretend trick that tricks your mind? People love it because when you feel scared, doing this makes you feel a tiny bit better fast. But let's see what your brain is actually doing. When you look for three things, like a lamp, a door, and your shoe, your eyes have to focus. When you listen for three sounds, like a humming fridge or cars outside, your ears get busy. And when you wiggle your toes, move your wrist, and drop your shoulders, your body takes control. It feels like a simple game, but deep inside, something crazy is happening to your body. When you get scared, your brain pulls a false alarm. It dumps scary stress juice into your body. Your heart beats super fast, you breathe quick, and your body gets ready to fight a big, scary monster that isn't even there. Therefore, your brain stops thinking logically and only cares about running away. Now, enter the 3-3-3 rule. When you make your brain count real stuff around you, it slams on the emergency brakes. Your heart slows down, your breathing calms down, and the panic starts to drop. But here is the secret. Slowing down your heart doesn't erase the scary stress juice right away. It stays inside your body for almost an hour. So is the 3-3-3 rule real science? Or just pretend? It's actually both. First, if you have a simple step-by-step game plan when you're scared, your brain instantly feels safer. But second, there's a real brain trick happening. During a panic attack, the loud, scared alarm button in your brain takes over. But the smart, thinking part of your brain can't count and freak out at the same time. They use the exact same brain power. Therefore, when you force yourself to count three blue things, you steal energy away from the loud alarm. You force the smart part of your brain to take back the steering wheel. It's a real brain takeover. And if you want to unlock more secret brain hacks every day, hit that subscribe button right now. But, does this trick fix your brain forever? Internet gurus say doing this every day trains your brain so you never get scared again. But doctors say that's not true. If you use this trick every single time you feel a little nervous, you start treating every small feeling like a giant emergency. It becomes like a security blanket. You aren't fixing the problem. You're just slapping a tiny band-aid over a broken toy. So, what's the real answer about the 3-3-3 rule? Is it a magical cure? No. Is it a fake trick? Also, no. The 3-3-3 rule is like pressing the pause button on a video game. It stops your brain from crashing so you can take a deep breath. Here is how to use it. Use it like a quick pause button when you need to stop freakouts during class or before a big game. Don't use it as the only way to deal with big feelings instead of talking to a doctor, teacher, or parent. Think of the 3-3-3 rule like a fire extinguisher. It's great for putting out a sudden splash of fire, but it can't fix the broken wires behind the wall. Use the rule to pause the panic, but use real talking and practice to fix the wires. Or you'll just spend the rest of your life counting light bulbs every time you get scared.